3,000 acres of natural forests on the periphery and over 1 lakh plants and trees within. Discovery City enables the best proximity for Mother Nature. Discovery City is in an aerotropolis zone, enjoying great proximity to Hyderabad International Airport, ORR and other industrial establishments. Ramki Group will house its corporate campus in Discovery City, making walk to work a reality. Discovery City is one place where businesses can flourish and business associates can live, learn and unwind. For all you corporate high flyers, ambitious entrepreneurs and smart investors, Discovery City helps achieve dreams in a more fruitful way. It goes without saying that companies as diverse as pharma, IT and IT-enabled services and BPO will immensely benefit with their presence in Discovery City. Also, adequate space has been earmarked for commercial complexes, supermarkets, retail outlets and other ancillary businesses. A host of schools, universities, learning and development centers cater to the learning needs of the next gen. But it's the picturesque setting and amenities at Discovery City that unleash opportunities to thrive beyond academia. Everyone, from tiny tots to the aged, can gain experiences that inspire them to become a bird lover, a cyclist, a swimmer, a yoga guru, a philosopher, an author, or a trendsetter. Discovery City is probably the first destination that strikes a wonderful balance between natural and materialistic comforts. That's because with an assortment of indulgences, the possibilities to unwind match our ability to explore. From an Olympic-sized swimming pool to a well-equipped gymnasium to a spa, the clubhouse at Discovery City is where indulgence resides in full glory. And the mammoth-scale theme park, hosting every conceivable fun activity, is just the place for a perfect family day out. With clearly demarcated playfields for games as diverse as golf and cricket, sporting action truly comes alive at Discovery City. A dedicated nursery caters to better landscaping in Discovery City. Since conception, Discovery City has attached highest premium on the use of green concepts, be it improving air quality with thoughtful planning, rejuvenating water bodies with storm water management, conserving energy with efficient techniques, minimizing construction with bio walls, or using construction waste systematically. Green concepts have been wonderfully integrated at Discovery City. Ramki Group strategically leverages expertise of its group companies operating in infrastructure, waste management and facilities management. With Discovery City, Ramki is confident of letting everyone, from home buyers to investors to the ambitious youngsters, usher in happiness. Get your pursuit of happiness a perfect beginning. Discovery City, the city of happiness.